Earn $50 with free simple clicks. In this vast digital universe where the internet connects us all, lies a secret treasure trove that can help you make that elusive $50 in the blink of an eye. Just like a modern-day Indiana Jones armed with a keyboard instead of a whip, I set out on a quest to find the hidden gems that would lead me to financial salvation. And oh boy, did I strike gold! Through the mystical power of the internet, I discovered a magical realm of tasks and micro-jobs that hold the key to your $50 fortune. Earn $50 with free simple clicks. These virtual ventures are like puzzle pieces waiting to be assembled, each one offering a glimmer of hope in the form of a few precious dollars. But beware, dear adventurer, for not all tasks are created equal. Some may be as simple as plucking low-hanging fruit from a money tree, while others require a touch of finesse and skill. Yet fear is not, for even the smallest of tasks, when combined with their brethren, can amass a fortune greater than the sum of its parts. Let's think of yourself traversing this virtual landscape, completing tasks with the nimble dexterity of a magician. With every click, every keystroke, you edge closer to your goal, like a digital hero on a noble quest. The world around you fades into the background as you become one with your computer screen, navigating through the labyrinth of online opportunities. And when the clock strikes $50, a victorious smile spreads across your face, illuminating the room with a radiance that rivals the brightest star in the night sky. Your groceries will be purchased, your bills paid, and a sense of relief washes over you like a cool breeze on a scorching summer day. Remember that the internet is a vast playground of potential. Embrace its power, and with determination and a sprinkle of online magic, you too can turn your financial woes into a distant memory. The next option is a great one. Being able to kick back, relax, and indulge in your favorite YouTube videos while earning cold hard cash. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. It's time to get paid for doing what you love most: watching videos. Enter the dazzling world of inbox dollars and swag bucks, where dreams of getting paid to watch videos become a delightful reality. These two remarkable get-paid-to websites are eager to reward you handsomely for spending quality time with your computer screen. It's like being paid to enjoy your guilty pleasures guilt-free. Settling into the cozy embrace of your living room, armed with a bowl of popcorn and a tantalizing lineup of videos, you can lose yourself in the heartwarming tales of adorable animals or feast your eyes on the culinary masterpieces of top-notch chefs. With Swagbucks, the possibilities are endless, and the boredom is banished forever. But wait, there's more! We're not talking about meager pennies here. While watching videos alone may not summon a $50 bill into existence instantaneously, the dollars do start to pile up. Combine this video-watching extravaganza with other ingenious money-making ideas, and before you know it, that coveted $50 will be yours for the taking. And let's not forget the cherry on top: instant money. You can sign up with these companies and start reaping the rewards right away. No waiting around, no tedious delays. It's as if the money fairy herself has waved her magic wand, and voila, your pockets are a little heavier. So it's time to unleash your inner critic, your passion for entertainment, and your desire for a few extra bucks. Inbox dollars and swag bucks are your golden tickets to an enchanting world where watching videos becomes a lucrative adventure. Grab your snacks, recline that sofa, and let the cash flow in as you embark on this thrilling quest to turn your guilty pleasures into sweet, sweet rewards. Now, let me introduce you to the shining star of paid online survey sites, Survey Junkie. This remarkable company has garnered the highest star rating on Trustpilot, a testament to their unrivaled excellence in the field. With surveys that can be completed in a mere 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be earning those dollars faster than a speeding bullet. But hold on tight, because we're not talking about chump change here. Oh no, my friend. For each survey you conquer, Survey Junkie will reward you with a handsome sum ranging from $1 to $3. That's right, simply by sharing your thoughts, you'll be adding dollars to your bank account, faster than you can say cha-ching. And let me put any doubts to rest. Survey Junkie is as legitimate as they come. They'll pay you cold hard cash via the ever-reliable PayPal system. No tricks, no gimmicks, just good old-fashioned money in your hands. But here's the real kicker. You can reach the payout threshold and get a sweet $50 instantly. That's right, my friend. Just like that, a crisp $50 bill can be yours to enjoy. Whether you want to treat yourself to a fancy dinner, splurge on the latest gadget, or simply stash it away for a rainy day, the power is in your hands. Next is going to be very exciting. Affiliate marketing is a popular method for content creators to earn commissions while promoting products or services through unique affiliate links. When someone clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase, the person who shared the link earns a commission. But here's the exciting part. You can also earn money by clicking on affiliate links yourself. By actively seeking out these links and making purchases through them, you support content creators while earning them a commission and often receiving a cashback reward for yourself. It's a win-win situation. So, how do you find these affiliate links? Well, they're everywhere. Many websites, blogs, and social media influencers include affiliate links within their content. You might come across them in product reviews, recommendation lists, or even on social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Platforms like Amazon, ShareASale, and Commission Junction are home to countless affiliate programs. You can browse these platforms and explore different categories to find products that interest you. Once you've found an affiliate link that catches your eye, simply click on it to be redirected to the corresponding product or service page. From there, you can make a purchase as you normally would. The magic happens in the background. When you click on the affiliate link, it contains a unique identifier that lets the seller know that you were referred by a specific affiliate. If you complete a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission based on the agreed-upon terms. But wait, there's more! Many affiliate marketing platforms also offer cashback rewards for using their links. Cashback platforms like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta provide additional incentives for making purchases through their affiliated stores. By clicking through these cashback platforms and then proceeding to make a purchase, you can earn a percentage of your spending back as cash. It's like getting paid to shop. Whether you're shopping for clothing, electronics, or even booking a vacation, it's worth checking out if there's an affiliate link or a cashback opportunity available. It's an effortless way to support content creators and put some money back in your wallet. Now, the most awaiting one, holding up the smartphone with a cashback app. Cashback platforms like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta have revolutionized the way we shop and save. These platforms offer cashback rewards for making online purchases through their affiliated stores. It's a win-win situation for both shoppers and retailers. So, how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. All you need to do is sign up for a cashback platform and download their app or browser extension. These tools will help you unlock the magic of cashback rewards with just a few clicks. When you're ready to make an online purchase, start by accessing the cashback platform's website or opening their app. From there, you can browse through a wide range of affiliated stores and brands. Once you've selected the store where you want to make a purchase, simply click on the provided link. This link will redirect you to the retailer's website, ensuring that your cashback reward is tracked. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you complete your purchase on the retailer's website, they'll track your transaction and notify the cashback platform. Based on the agreed-upon terms, a percentage of your spending will be credited back to your cashback account. Over time, as you accumulate cashback rewards, you can redeem them for actual cash, gift cards, or other exciting perks. It's like getting a little bonus every time you shop. Whether you're buying clothes, electronics, home goods, or even booking travel accommodations, there's a good chance that your favorite stores are partnered with a cashback platform. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to earn money while you shop. Remember, the more you shop through the cashback platform's links, the more you'll earn. So make it a habit to start your online shopping journey by clicking through your favorite cashback platform. It's a simple yet effective way to maximize your savings and put extra money back in your wallet. And there you have it, smart shoppers. Method number 5 opens the door to clicking for cashback rewards. So the next time you're planning to make an online purchase, don't forget to tap into the power of cashback platforms. Start earning while you shop and watch those savings grow.